Hello guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how can you change your Apple ID for iPhone or iPad. So guys, it's same for both iPhone or iPad. Just go to your phone settings. Now in the top, just click on your Apple ID. After clicking in your Apple ID, click on sign in and security, the second option. Now here you can see in the top right, edit, click on edit and just click on the minus icon of the Apple ID. Here you can see choose another email, just click on it, and after clicking on choose another email, you need to just choose the another email and you need to just give your phone passcode, and by doing that you can just change your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.